Lesson 79, we're going to look at angles exterior to a circle. So we got two secants. Secant is a line that goes through a circle, and they meet at an exterior point, and we're going to talk about the angle that it meets at. The formula for finding this angle, so we're calling this angle 1 right now, formula for finding the measure of angle 1 is you simply do 1/2 times the difference of the big arc intercepting the two lines minus the smaller arc intercepting the two lines. So arc CE minus BD. So putting it into practice, look at example 2, it says find angle E, and try to scoop this up a little bit. Well, that didn't help. Okay, well anyways, we have our large arc of CG, 49 degrees, and our small arc of 13 degrees. So using our formula, the measure, put it over here, measure of angle E equals 1/2 times 49 minus 13. 1/2 times the bigger arc minus the smaller arc. I know there's a glare there, but that's 13. And then we solve 49 minus 13 would be 36. Multiply that by 1/2. So the measure of angle E would be 18 degrees. And that's all you have to do for it. Let's look at a couple more, if it throws anything else at you. In B, it wants you to find the measure of angle Q, but it only gives you PR being 110. So how can we find it? Well, we know how many degrees are in a circle. Now these lines are kind of jive. They only intersect the circle at one point. So the circle really is more like that. My circle and lines just kind of jive. But these lines are tangent to the circle. So if there's 360 degrees in the circle, well, the rest of the arc right here is 360 minus 110. So 250 is our major arc. And so then we use our formula of 250 minus 110 times 1/2 to find Q. So 250, got to do order of operations, solve inside the parentheses first. 250 times minus 110 is 140. Multiply that by 1/2, and you find that the measure of angle Q equals 70 degrees. One more, example C. It wants us to find angle T. All right, and it gives us the small arc that intercepts, but it doesn't give us the major arc that intercepts. We need to find this major arc. Well, once again, we know there's 360 degrees in a whole circle. So to find this arc, SV, we can just find the difference of 360 minus 68 minus 154. And whatever that is will equal SV. So 360 minus 68 minus 154 gives us 138 degrees for our major arc. And now we can plug into our formula of 138, big arc minus small arc, times 1/2. And so that would be, what, 70 times 1/2. So the measure of angle T ends up being 35 degrees. And that's all you have to do for angles exterior to a circle.